Welcome back to my channel. That was a really weird choice in hand movements. If you don't know me, my name is Gabrielle, and today I am in Fairlawn, Ohio for my very first in-person Painting with a Twist class. You may remember a few months ago, I uploaded a late vlog from last year where a friend of mine and I did a quarantine version of one of these classes over Zoom. Cool full circle moment. She is now teaching classes at the studio in person, which is why I'm here at the Fairlawn location tonight, because she's teaching her first class. And I'm going to get to enjoy the experience with a couple of her friends and a friend of mine from work, and hopefully take you along with me. Yet to be determined, because we still kind of have to clear it with her boss, but I think it'll be okay. Anyway, whatever we're able to get, hope you enjoy it. Art and teacher, art instructor. You excited?
Pretty cool right now.
She's on a stage.
Yes.
So she can show us her painting magic when she's ready.
But don't worry, I won't clog dance for you.
Thank you. Autocorrect said earlier, is it okay if I clog during the class instead of vlog during the class? So that was super helpful. Luckily, Alexis gets me enough to know what I meant. Yeah. Here's our class for today. There's Selena and Allie. And Morgan's in there behind the big canvas. And we're gonna enjoy our class today. Looks like Selena's doing a wood board canvas, so that's cool. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed tonight's class. Shout out to my friend who taught us tonight. Really enjoyed tonight's class. It was a ton of fun. I enjoyed the painting. I enjoyed hanging out with everybody. I enjoyed my friend's teaching. She did a great job. That light totally just startled me right now. This is awkward. I don't know if they can see me vlogging in my car. Oh well. So anyway, Painting with a Twist, Akron Fairlawn. Would highly recommend one of these in-person classes if you ever get a chance. It's such a great girls' night out opportunity to just relax, enjoy one another's company, and come away with a pretty cool art project too. I'm looking forward to hanging up mine somewhere in the house. I'm really glad with how it turned out. It's not a masterpiece, but like they say here at Painting with a Twist, they aim for fun art, not fine art. and I like that approach. Anyway, that's all I have for today's vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch. And since I never know when my next upload will be, for now I'll just say, until next time.